Sunil from Esconet. They are one of the leading player in the server and solution business, and they are in this market for a long time. Let's understand how they are doing business in India market, and they have recently they have started with their new manufacturing things also for the server solution product. So let's connect with Sunil and understand how they are doing the business in India market.
Esconet, the older name is Electrosales Corporation, which was started in 1975. And in 1975, we were like importers for peripherals, cables, and all other accessories, which were normally used to build up the computer system. And later on, that time, Mr. R.K. Gupta, who was chairman of Vintron Group of Industries, he used to manage Electrosales Corporation, and down the line in 1997 we took over this company with Mr. Sunil Agrawal, who is the chairman director of Esconet Technologies Limited now. So Esconet Technologies was formed in 2014, and we were into basically solution-based business, particularly distributing some of the industrial PC component, as well as major focus were on data centers as well as servers, storage, virtualization, and backup DR kind of solution what we used to provide to our customers. And down the line, we found that we were catering to the market with our own integrated servers, which was named as a white box servers that time. And when the concept of vocal for local type came up from our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, that gave us a boost up, and we thought of concept of having our own brand with the name of Hexadata. So Hexadata is our brand of our product what we manufacture in India.
You have launched this Hexadata?
In 2018 we gone with a Hexadata, but since we were not established in a manufacturing base, so when we shifted our office in 2019 to Okla Phase 1, there we started manufacturing our servers. Before that, till that, we were a little bit busy in maintaining kind of quality components kind of thing, and also creating a support infrastructure, because getting a brand launched as a server is an easy job, means anybody can do that. But creating a support infrastructure wherein you are able to provide an on-site support all across India was a bit difficult task. But that because of that only, it took like 2 years time to come up with a full-fledged solution on our brand. We are catering to industries like CCTV surveillance, wherein the large capacity storage are required. So this is one of our product wherein this is a 36 drive storage solution. It could be your single and a dual socket, and the entire, you can see that the PCB and everything belongs from the Hexadata only. Yes, the design of the motherboards is ours only. So that is something which is being we are focusing upon, that the most of the component what we are using should be used local manufactured. It comes under the Make in India program as per the DPIIT guidelines. So this is in a kind of 2U servers wherein all flash storage what we are building out from this system. First thing that it is very easy to position your brand, come up with your own brand, but providing support and all kind of solution, all kind of customer requirement, and for that, if you have this solution, so that brand can only be sustained in the market. So we are able to cater that kind of requirement, and we are able to provide them a precise, exact solution as per the customer problems and requirements are concerned. Basically, we are having like around 20-25 models as of now. But out of that, there could be multiple combinations. So the sky is the limit for that. We can customize the product, and a lot of the products are, as on date, if you see, every time then some new requirements are coming up, and the technology is very dynamic and it is changing in every 6 months. So we have to take care of that also. So we have to be dynamic for that. we have some servers which are liquid cool based system, and since in India the liquid cooling concept is a little bit new one, but there were certain some requirements wherein the overclock systems were being required. So there, when you are trying to have a workload which is beyond the capacity of the hardware which can deliver, you need some additional support component inside that. And there the liquid cooling plays a major role for us, because when you are overclocking any kind of the compute, then the TDP of the entire system increases. And to address that, the liquid cooling is the best solution. So we do have the liquid cooling solution, and the best part is that still we know that in our industry, overnight we cannot change the data center infrastructure.
True.
So we have come out with some kind of solution which can be used within a traditional rack system only, and there would not be required any additional add-ons or infrastructure. They can use directly our server within a liquid cooled facilities. We are catering to enterprise as well as government both. Basically, if you see, as far as overall solution, whatever we are providing, it is from the infrastructure side. So infrastructure is being used in the government also, private sector also, in the manufacturing also. So mostly, I would say that the better word would be we are working on the infrastructure vertical. Sir, it is not only that we are catering to one single brand what we are owning. In fact, a lot of people who are coming down to us asking for their own brand. We are having like some tie-ups for OEM, ODM business also. So we don't have any apprehension of doing an ODM for any third-party brands also. So we are having an edge device server, which is normally catering to the 5G infrastructure. This is an entire server which is accessible from the front. It can go into a short depth rack. So any networking rack can also handle these kinds of servers. And beside the two power cords, all the information outlet ports and everything can be accessible from the front. So this is one solution, and at the same time we have an front access GPU system also, which can be like it can be used within a 4 GPUs. So if any kind of solution require an edge GPU based server particularly for the AI ML, this server is the best suitable for those kinds of requirement. So for that you require a lot of the compute power, and which can be only addressed by the GPUs. So the requirements for the GPUs are coming is very huge, and somehow we are also trying to gain some market share of that requirement. I can only say that at the moment that the market size is increasing in geometrical ratio. So we focus on whatever the SI is doing or a manufacturing unit is doing. They should focus on that thing, and they should specialize and create some new value addition to that. And the success is waiting for those people. It is not that they have to run behind the success. Success is waiting for them if they are focusing on these lines.
For more information, visit www.mobilityindia.com.